Let's add a CAD file. Under the Home ribbon, you'll see a 3D model button. Here we can select a assembly, a part, or you can upload an entire folder. One thing I want you to note is that we're not actually uploading the specific CAD file. The only thing Envision's doing is almost making a carbon copy of it. We will upload the metadata associated with the CAD files. So if you wanted to pull a bill of materials, a part number, etc., we can extract that from the CAD file itself, but no dimensional characteristics are going to be imported over. So not to worry, there's no reverse engineering going on. This is just simply geometric shapes. All right, now that that's uploading, we should be good to go. We'll get in more of the CAD specific features in later sessions.